I want to show you how you can use a Google slide deck for a question stimulus in the new Canvas quizzes. So I've set up my quiz, my new Canvas quiz, and I'm going to add my first question. But before I add my first question, I want to add a question stimulus. And I've come over here and I've just grabbed a slide and I have published it to the web and then gotten an embed code. So I'm going to copy that. And then when I go to, I'll just call this question stimulus. And then I'm going to use this insert edit media tool. And I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to click on the embed tab. So you could literally embed anything that has an embed code here. And then I'm going to click OK. And then I'll add the stimulus. And so now I have got my stimulus here, and I can come over to the right and attach my question. If you have any questions, let me know. And that's how you can embed a Google slide as a question stimulus.